So now let's see how we can invert, duplicate and hide masks inside of Adobe Camera RAW. So over here you can see that I have an image, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go around onto the mask section right here, and then I'm going to go around and select out the subject right here by clicking on subject. Once I do that, it detects out the subject and it masks it out, as you can see, just like this. And right now you can see that the subject itself is selected. Well, let's say what I want to do is I want to go around and invert it so that the background is selected. In that case, you can go around and click on the three dot button right here, just like this, and simply invert the mask. Once you do that, what happens is that the background is selected, as you can see right here. And apart from the subject, everything else is selected right here. And that is how you can invert out the mask right here. What you can also do is you can duplicate out the mask, so you can go around and then duplicate and invert the mask as well, or duplicate out the mask and a copy of the mask is made right here. So there's mask 1 and there's mask right here. So over here you can go around and then make changes according to how you want right here. So over here you can see that this is the mask that you have right here. So you can go around and add, let's say for example, brush, and then make changes to it according to how you want on this particular mask, and make changes to this particular mask according to how you want as well. So I'm just going to go around over here and say subtract right here and say brush, and you can go around and remove out these part right here. So this is what you have individually over here. And this is what you have. And if you want to go around and hide a mask, then you can also go around over here and hide mask 1 right here, and this particular mask will be hidden. You can go around and then show it out as well by clicking on this eye icon as well. So click on the eye icon to hide and click on the eye icon to show. And that is how you can invert, duplicate and hide masks inside of Adobe Camera RAW. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.